Yes, good evening, everyone. So, yesterday we started discussion about session management, how to create our own filters. Session management. Sir, in this session management, main thing is the client server communicated language is common language HTTP. HTTP is a stateless protocol, means whenever client is sending request, server is always considered as a new request only. You don't know the who are sending request. Already it is the old client or new client like that. It is not able to identify request every time new request. To maintain this information, some special mechanism is required. That mechanism is called as session management. In this session management, there are two ways are there. One is by using the cookies. Second one is session API. Cookies are nothing but predefined one dictionary. Cookies have maintained very small information. I will tell upcoming next whatever problems with the cookies, why we go for session API. So first of all, how to maintain the data by using the cookies. Cookies is one dictionary. Server created dictionary sending to the client. Client is always remember every information, every cookie. Once I send request, if any cookie is there, send the cookie. How to create the cookies means response dot set underscore cookie is the function key value pairs you can send. So server will be created, send response along with the cookie. Now client, whenever I'm sending, then it is taking request dot cookies of, because it is dictionary direct key, get of key comma value. This is the theoretical I'm telling. Now one small short example how to prepare this cookies. For example, first project alga CD Django 14th November Django -admin start project page count project. And how many requests I am sending to the server, I calculated. Page count project cd page count py manage.py start app test app. After that I can go with py manage.py make migrations. Is it required? Not required. What is the purpose of make migrations and migrate command? Enduku? It is converted model class to SQL query. After that executed SQL query in the database, table will be created. But am I created any model? లేదు కదా. If model is there, then we can go then. But still I am using make migrations. The reason for that is చూడండి, no changes detected on them. Still I am doing migrate command. The reason for that, once I am using migrate command, it is created our tables, user defined tables. Along with that, some system related tables created. What is the table name? Session. అదే మీరు కనుక if you are not using make migration migrate, session table not created. Once I write the session programs, where data will be stored? No error we are getting it. That's why for this session project compulsory, first you have to do what to do, make migrations and migrate compulsory. Otherwise the session table is not available. Your program, whatever sessions I created, where it will be stored internally? These dictionaries. That is the reason Compulsory first you have to do make migration and migrate. So ఇది first 4. Come to this. Project to go to project, app, make migrations and migrate. ఇప్పుడు write the function views.py. So view is responsible to what is required? Go to the atom, page MNOP settings. Test app. Compulsory required. Then all it is created session related tables. Otherwise, table not found error we are getting. Sir, without that, write the program, execute, then you will get clarity. Why we are using make migrations and migrate? Because of these tables are required, sessions tables required. That's why we are using make migrations and migrate. Sir, now go to the views. Write a small function. Views. Now, dev page underscore count underscore view. First argument request. Now, there is one dictionary is there. Yesterday I'm given this example for you. Okay. Within dictionary, if the key is available, on SDM given same example D equal to 101 comma Sunny. If I access it directly 101, yeah, valid. ఏమైంది మరి అది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసింది కదా అప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే టైప్ ఆఫ్ డి ఏంటిది అది ఇదా సినిమా డి ఈక్వల్ టు సన్నీ నౌ డి ఆఫ్ 101 valid, d of 102 error we are getting. So I don't want error. Okay, same logic now I am using by using the get command. Okay, d dot get of 102 comma 0 anna. What is the meaning? The return value is 0. Okay, same. Sir, first time whenever I'm sending request to the server, am I having any dictionary? Cookies లేదు కదా. When cookies will prepared, once I send the first request from the client to server, I am sending empty request. Whenever server is given response, you want to video server, video client, okay. Whenever server is sending the response, along with these response, cookies are available there. In the second request, compulsory, ఇప్పుడు second time, whenever I am passing, what can I send? Request plus cookies. Then only if I'm asking get cookies, value are there. First time cookies low values are nothing, empty dictionary. So if the values are not there, if I'm asking, we are getting none. That's why now observe I have to provided request dot what is the dictionary? Cookies. You got an SDM telling no how to get the data from cookies. Request dot cookies. Don't ask direct the C name. You can ask compulsory get. Otherwise, it will get key error, program terminated, runtime error. Yes, get of any key. The key is count 0. So what is the final get is return value? 0. Because first time your cookies. అదేంటి cookies equal to empty dictionary. I'm asking cookies dot get off nothing. So return value 0 kada. Yeah, stored into variable count. And I want to convert into integer because in the dictionary all are available in the form of string. So first time count will become 0. Count plus equal to 1. What is the meaning? Count value increment. Because first time request I am passing, cookies nothing, empty, return value 0, 0 plus 1, 1 added. Generally, how to send this value? Return, render, internally, sorry, request kada. Request, comma, test app slash 1 HTML, counter.html. I want to create count colon count. This is the actual procedure. Now, total this one is response. Don't return this one. Stored into variable. What is the variable name? Response. ఎందుకంటే I want to set the cookie and send it to the user. So response dot. What is the function? ఇదిగోండి చెప్పాం yesterday. Set underscore cookie. Set underscore cookie. Predefined function. What is the key? What is the value? Count. As I'm telling the syntax, set cookie, C name, value. So, what is the count value first time? 1 added, not added. Yes, create a dictionary. Send this response to the end user. Return. What can I return? Response. Previous got direct HTML page I am sending. Now this total response, I created one cookie dictionary count value added. Second time whenever I am sending, cookie will be added, not added. Yes. In the second time, request dot cookies dot get. Now what is the count value? 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 will be added. 3, 4. Like that page count will be incremented. So this is the first one. Okay. దీనికి what is required? Counter.html page required. Go to page counter. New folder. Templates. Right click. Folder. Test app. Right click. New file. Counter.html. దీనికి CSS అనే అవసరం లేదు, ఒక సింపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కాబట్టి కమ్ టు దిస్ base dir template underscore dir equal to base dir slash done. In this counter.html body, I have to write h1 tag, the page, and how many requests I am getting, I am printing. Curling brace, curling brace. What is the dictionary key? Count. First time count is 0. It is returning the 0 and the return value incremented 1. So second time 2, 3, 4. How many requests I am sending? The value will be incremented. దీనికి ఒక define URL. So how many requests I am sending to the client to server? It is calculated. Page views dot page count view from test app kada, test app import views, start server. Now first time I'm not sending any request. Now open this browser. I'm this one page. The page count and the 1, because first time return value 0. First whenever I'm passing, there is no cookies. Okay, nothing value, return value 0, 0 plus 1, 1 will be returned. Sending request means refreshing. Once refresh, what is the value? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. అంటే ఎవ్రీ రిక్వెస్ట్కి వాల్యూ చేంజెస్, నాట్ చేంజెస్. HTML. ఇంకా యువర్ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ పర్పస్ హియర్ I want to title style. ఈ కౌంట్ని ఒక స్పాన్ ట్యాగ్లో పడేయండి. కట్ ఇట్, పేస్ట్ హియర్. స్టైల్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద ట్యాగ్? స్పాన్. ఇలా సజెషన్స్ రావా? ఫాంట్ సైజ్ 150 పిక్సెల్, అదేంటి రావాలి? ఫాంట్ వెయిట్ ఏమైంది? కరెక్టే కదా. నౌ సెండ్ ద రిక్వెస్ట్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ కంటిన్యూ ఆర్ నో? వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ కౌంట్? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Suppose you have to tell, sir, inka your understandable purpose, background, I want to print that dictionary also. Okay, views ekkundi? Views. Print means console, it is printing cookies from the client. Request dot, what is the dictionary? Cookies. Save. Sir, if I copy this request, go to the Firefox, here I am sending. Now what is the count will come? Is it 1 or continued? 1, because is it a new client or no? ఇదిగోండి, count will become 1. Now you can check background dictionary. ఇదిగోండి, cookies, CSRF token. ఇదిగోండి, ఎనీ కౌంట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ దేర్? డిక్షనరీ లేదు కదా. ఇప్పుడు సెండ్ వన్ మోర్ రిక్వెస్ట్. ఎస్, నౌ చెక్ దిస్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. ఇదిగో కౌంట్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అంటే ఆల్రెడీ డేటా విల్ బి యాడింగ్ దేర్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్. నౌ రీఫ్రెష్, కౌంట్ విల్ బి యాడెడ్ దేర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if I take new tab, copy pasted, is it continued 27 or will become 1? Continue the 1. 27, 28, 29, 30. I close the browser, same Chrome I opened. Now what will happen? Started from 1, because cookies are temporary. Once the browser closes, all the data will be gone. Okay, అలాగా. ఇదిగోండి, ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం కదా, గో టు హియర్. ఓన్లీ CSRF టోకెన్ ఇస్ దేర్. సార్, ఎవ్రీ బ్రౌజర్కి ఒక ఐడి విల్ బి క్రియేటెడ్, సెషన్ ఐడి. ఓకేనా? ఇదిగోండి, క్రోమ్కి అయితే 53F0B కేమ్ కదా. ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ హియర్. నౌ కౌంట్ విల్ బికమ్, చూడండి, 15. దీని యొక్క ఐడి విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్ దీనికి. అలాగే ఎవ్రీ క్లయింట్కి ఒక ఐడి విల్ బి క్రియేటెడ్. వాట్ ఎవర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ సెండింగ్, ఫ్రమ్ ద బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ ఐడి, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కౌంట్ విల్ బి. ఇదిగో క్రోమ్లో అయితే దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఐడి 53F0B. If I go to Edge browser, null count started from 1. And yeah, don't select anything in the browser. ఇదిగోండి count. That is called as how many requests we are forwarded. Once the browser closes, the value will be gone. Mali count started from 1. So that is called as how to create cookies and send to the server. First simple example. పేజ్ కౌంటర్ కావాలి కదా, counter.html. Sir, client is sending the first request. Whenever client sending first request, server will create a cookies, whatever information required for future purpose, and it will send it to the client. So whatever information required for future purpose, server will decide. With that information, server will create a cookie and it should be hand over to the client. Response will be sent to the client. Previously, direct response is sent to the HTML page. Now, I attached cookie and return the response. Server will add cookie to the response. Then automatically cookies will be reached to the client. So cookies are stored per server side or browser side. Browser side, not the server side. Yes, we have to store it into one variable. That variable I am passing to the response, Dhanush. box. The request is get a poster. Get kada simple request dot get of what is the field name? Name. Whatever name you are entering, it is getting stored into variable name variable. Generally, what to do? Return render request comma test app slash date time dot what is the page HTML. What is the key? Name colon name. But I want to set the cookie కాబట్టి don't return. Stored into one variable. Any variable you can take. Response. How to set the cookie? Response dot. What is the function? Set cookie. What is the key? Name. What is the value? Name. Comma comma. Now return this. Which one? Response. So am I created cookie or no? Yes, it is reading from the form and the name is there. Total thing response, set the cookie, send this response. So this is the second view. Views.py. దీన్ని ఇక్కడ we have to display HTML. సో ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ HTML పేజ్ అక్కడ I want to display this name. Right click, new file, datetime.html. Take the HTML inside body. H1 tag. Hello, curling brace, curling brace. What is the value? Name. Next ఒక anchor tag కావాలి. What is that anchor tag? Click here to get the date and time. దీనికి ఒక URL డిఫైన్ చేయండి. వాట్ ఇస్ URL? డేట్ టైం వ్యూ. ఇది సెకండ్ పేజ్ కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ యూ సెకండ్. బట్ హౌ టు లింక్ దిస్ వన్ టు దేర్? సపోజ్ రిఫ్రెష్ ద పేజ్. ఐఎమ్ ఎంటరింగ్ సన్నీ. క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఎంటర్ నేమ్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ గోయింగ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్? నో. Hello. But taken here it is updated. But how to go to next page? What to do? Where? home.html ఏముంది? ఏది అక్కడ యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్? అసలు ఎక్కడ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు డేట్ టైంలో అంటే హ్యాష్ ఉంది అండ్ ఇంకా ఈ పేజ్ రాలేదు కదా. వన్స్ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ పేజ్, నెక్స్ట్ URL ఐ విల్ గివ్. నాకు ఇప్పుడు హోమ్ పేజ్ నుంచి ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు దట్ పేజ్, సెకండ్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఎలా? హ్యాష్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అసలు ఇక్కడ? విత్ ఇన్ ద యాక్షన్ ఉంది కదా, యాక్షన్ వాట్ కెన్ ఐ గివ్? యువర్ యుఆర్ఎల్. వాట్ ఇస్ యుఆర్ఎల్? సెకండ్. దెన్ చెక్ దిస్, go to the back again, go to home kada, home. Now enter name. Once click on the action is second, the URL, that page will be displayed. Hello Sunny, click here to get the date and time. Once clicking on this, I want to display next page lo I want to display this is Sunny. In the next view, I want to read data from where? From the cookies you can read the data. Because previous page ante from the form I am getting data. Now cookies it is available. Within the cookie you have to read the data. So this is the body. urls.py. This is the URL. This URL you can update it to a page into the home.html. In that action compulsory you can give this URL. Then automatically it is redirected to that page. Form action second. Final ga third view. చూడండి ప్రీవియస్ వ్యూలో ఐఎమ్ రీడింగ్ డేటా ఫ్రమ్ request.get because end user sending data from the get method కాబట్టి get request. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడి నుంచి రీడ్ చేయాలంటే డేటా is available to cookies. From the cookies you can read the data. Third view. Final results. Def result view. First argument request. How to get the name? Request dot cookies dot get of what is the key I'm given now? Name kada idigondi. Am I added name? Yeah, that name I am reading. Stored into variable name. How to get the date time? Date time equal to module కావాలి కదా, import date time. So date time dot class name dot now is the function. Who are their name or date time? These two you can pass. Inga cookie is not required. Direct you can return render to HTML page. First argument request comma test app slash results.html. Create one dictionary. Within the dictionary, first key name, second key date time. What is the key also? Date time. ఇది లాస్ట్ వ్యూ. ఫైనల్గా ఇది HTML పేజ్. Instead of doing make migration, migrate starting after we've written all view system. Yeah, anytime, no problem, man. But before starting server, compulsory can do make migrations, migrate. Then you can run server, do the because first if I sending application request before starting server, anytime you can use make migrations and migrate. Then it's no problem. Without make migration, migrate, if you run the server, if you send the request, it is not displayed. Session table not available, error we are getting. Sir, finally, this is the last page. Results. Right click, new file, results, HTML. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి H1, hello, curling brace. What is the key? Name. Next, one line will be printed inside H1. Babu, current, date and time. How to display? Date, time. Completed. Updated date and time కావాలి మీకు. For that, take one more anchor tag here. Click here to update time. Am I getting? Oh, దీనికి URL కావాలిగా. What is the URL? Results. What is the view? Result view. Save. This results where can I give? Date time లో hash ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ you can mention. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో చోట ఇక్కడ కూడా హ్యాష్ బదులు results. Server started, everything goes fine. We are getting output. So home page. Name I can provided Sunny. Enter name. Click here. Hello Sunny, current date and time 19th December 8:41 PM. అది సినిమా. Forty-two అయితే click here to update date and time. ఇది ఫైనల్ గా కోడ్. Completed. So now see this. Now observe the outputs. Okay. So now 8:41. If I want to click here, date is updated. For example, observe the flow carefully here. If I coming from starting page, home page, enter name, Radhika, click on enter. Hi Radhika, click here, name came. Direct ga I'm using this URL, sir. Copy. Go to the new browser. I'm running results page. In this browser, any name am I entered? No. But what is the output we are getting? ఆ బ్రౌజర్లో అంటే cookies is there, Radhika name is there, cookies is stored, came Radhika. I'm open new browser. What is the output we are getting? Am I getting error? What is the output? Hmm? What is the output we are getting? Same output anta. Same output of it is coming. It is a different browser, Dhanush. It is not Chrome. This is the Firefox. Jashwant, error. Sunny. Sir, once I executed result URL, now you can observe carefully. It will goes to the results. It will goes to this view. In this view, it is executed. Request dot get cookies of name. In this browser, I am entered any name? No name. Get function, if name is not there, what is the return value? None. So what is the name? None. Date and time? Available. Instead of Radhika, it will be displayed. None will be displayed here. ఇది క్రోమ్ సారీ గో టు ఫైర్ ఫాక్స్ ఇక్కడ యూ కెన్ సెండ్ ద అదిగోండి అదే మీరు కనుక ఇఫ్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ గెట్ కమాండ్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ కీ ఎర్రర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ వై బికాస్ ఆఫ్ నన్ అంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ గెట్ నేమ్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ అదే సేమ్ బ్రౌజర్ ఇక్కడ మీరు కమ్ టు ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఓకే హోమ్ పేజ్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఏ నేమ్ ఎంటర్ నౌ డిక్షనరీ క్రియేటెడ్ నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఎస్ నౌ నేమ్ ఈస్ దేర్ taking the lily. Same thing I can provide it to Edge browser. It's a new browser. Name not there. The value is none. అందుకని we are using get recommended one always. అది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ సింపుల్ స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ సెషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ బై యూజింగ్ ద కుకీస్. సార్ ఇక్కడ నన్కి ఏం కదా ఇస్తారు అదేమో ఇక్కడ నేమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ కుకీస్ నుంచి రీడ్ చేస్తాం కదా రాదు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది go to one step back home page enter కంపల్సరీ అడుగుతుంది కదా ఇది ఏ హలో ఏ కత్రీనా క్లిక్ హియర్ సైలెంట్ దిట్స్ ఇన్ మై నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఇక్కడ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది సో దట్ ఈస్ by using the cook. Yeah, I'm uploading notes in the second link also, please check it. So that is how to send the session management by using the cookies. So in some more examples we will see next. What is the problems with these cookies? Why we go for the session API? Next class we will discuss. లాస్ట్ నేను ఏం చేస్తాను నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో చూపిస్తాను ఎలా
ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసిన సార్, ఇంట్లో రాదు.
దీనిలో రాదు, వేరే దాంట్లో వస్తుంది. ఎగ్జామ్ లో చూపిస్తాను.